Do you want to record tutorials of your iPhone and your iPad screens? In this video, I'll show you how to record those screens for free using Quicktime, and then we'll edit them in Final Cut, or you could even edit them in iMovie. Now that iPhone and iPad apps will run natively on the M1 Max, it's timely that you can still do these screen recordings of your iPhone and your iPad on the current Intel range of Macs. I'm Bruce Macbryde, and I can provide one-on-one training over the internet in iMovie and in Final Cut. Just click in the link below. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell. And first of all, we need to attach the iPhone or the iPad directly to your Mac with the cable that you normally charge. That's a USB to Lightning cable. And then we need to launch Quicktime. If Quicktime is not in your dock, you can launch it through the Spotlight. Simply type in here Quicktime and select the Quicktime player. Then select New Movie Recording. From the drop-down menu, select your iPhone. You can also select a microphone to talk into, but if you want the iPhone's background audio also to be heard, then select the iPhone or the iPad here as well. Now, once the iPhone is turned on, you will then be able to see the screen, and you'll be able to access the iPhone by working on it directly. Now, as a tip, I'd suggest that you go to the display and brightness and you turn your auto lock to never. Now, don't forget to change this back later, but now you can access your iPhone, and if we go to the Photos library and we click in the Photos library, you can play that. And you'll hear the audio from the iPhone. You can also play in landscape mode, so you can see the full screen in 16:9 just by rotating your iPhone. To start it recording, press the record button, and then you can access the iPhone directly. Then once you've completed your recording, then you can simply press the stop button here, and then you're able to edit the video. So you can come to your edit menu and you can select trim, and then you can trim parts of your video from front or the end. And once you've trimmed that, you can export it and then save that. And now to import that into Final Cut, go to the new menu, select a project, and then we'll create that project as vertical, give it a higher resolution, import the media into Final Cut, and there's our video imported there. And we simply press the E key to bring it into the timeline, and then you can play through it there and export it by coming to the export menu and selecting H.264, and you can see that the format that it is exporting in is 1080 by 1920, which is this vertical format that is suitable for Facebook. Don't forget, on your iPhone, set display and brightness back to your normal setting after you've finished recording. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.